So the supporting document for this course is not your standard syllabus. We actually call this the survival guide because it contains everything that you will need in this semester to be successful. It's all of the policies of the course in addition to the details of all of the major assignments that we will have. Now, this is a large document and I'm not going to read the whole thing to you, but I do want you to go this week and take a look at each of the sections. Now, some of this may not apply to us because we are an online course. This is a standard survival guide that's used in all of our 1300 courses. So I just left everything in there. So some of it may not apply, but a lot of it will because it does contain, like I said, the details of all of our major assignments that you'll be doing, in addition to resources such as our foundational principles and our communication ethics list that you will use in all of your assignments. So this is definitely a document that you want to download and keep handy because you will refer to it quite a bit this semester. I am going to hit on a couple of high points and then I have just a few slides and a slide deck that will summarize all of this for you. One thing I do want you to note is that I have all of my contact information here. This is one place that you can locate it. My preferred method of contact is definitely my email address. So please use email to reach out to me. I'm not located on campus. As I said in the other video, I work for a company called First Orion. So I typically meet with students virtually by appointment only. So you can reach out to me at any time and schedule that. The textbook for this course is an open source textbook, which means it's not an actual book. It's one that you download, and the best thing about it is that it's free. So you can access the course here. You can download it, keep it handy, have it ready to go. We will be using the textbook quite a bit this semester, but the nice thing is you don't have to pay for it. So I think that's pretty awesome. So let's take a look at the high points of this survival guide. As I told you before, it's big, and I'm not going to read it word for word, but let me go through a couple of slides here just to give you the high points so that you know exactly what you're looking for and what the survival guide contains. So the three big questions that we're going to answer this semester are found in the survival guide. How can we be more effective communicators? How can we be more ethical communicators? And how can our personal communication create better social worlds? So essentially what we're striving to do is to become effective and ethical communicators. And in doing so, we want to foster this positive communication in a variety of contexts. And so as I mentioned before in the other video, this course will give you communication skills that you can use in any of your relationships that you may find yourself in. So for this class, you must have the following: a reliable computer with the ability to record yourself in front of a small audience. So a camera, a webcam, somehow for you to record yourself presenting in front of an audience. That will happen at the end of the semester. But you need to make sure that the computer that you use is capable of that. You cannot complete this class on a tablet or on a cell phone or anything like that. You really do need to have a reliable computer. You'll need the course survival guide, which is what I just showed you and kind of what we're going over right now. And definitely a willingness to look at your own communication and identify areas of improvement. There will be self-assessments. There will be opportunities for you to look at the way that you communicate in certain situations and decide, how could I have done that better? How could I be more effective? How could I be more ethical? So those are some things that we'll be talking about, and I just encourage students to really open up and be willing to look at yourself and how you relate to other people. And then also you'll definitely need the downloaded textbook found in the survival guide. Must have that book as well. So again, as I mentioned, communication with me. Here's my email address. I usually respond early in the mornings and late afternoons, and I will schedule one-on-one meetings virtually. This class is 100% virtual. We will not be meeting in person at any time. So I will schedule time with you if you need it. Okay, these are our course units. We have 3 major units that we will cover this semester. Unit 1 is about positive communication. The major assignment for that is a positive communication video, and I'll give you all of the details for that assignment. It's found in your survival guide, but we'll go over it in great detail. Unit 2 is interpersonal communication, and for this you're going to write a paper about a conversation and about a relationship. And then Unit 3 is public speaking. And we have many options for you with regard to what your public speaking assignment might be. So you'll have some options there and some choices. Now, each unit will include reading assignments and additional assignments that will help you to prepare for the major assignment. And in just a second, I'll show you what our schedule is going to look like. Assignments, as you've seen in the other videos, will be clearly labeled. You'll see the name of the assignment, the due date, and also the time that it's due. And most assignments are scheduled on Thursdays and are due on the following Friday. So that gives you plenty of time to complete those assignments. I typically don't allow for late work because this is an online class. You have a lot of flexibility. I don't typically make assignments throughout the week. Everything's due on the same day. So you can plan accordingly for that week. Actually, it's a little bit over a week that you have to complete those assignments. And I also try to give you a weekend as well. I know many of you are working, you're in other classes, you have a lot of things going on. So by making the content available on a Thursday, that gives you a weekend and then also the full next week after that to complete those assignments. Okay, so that's just some highlights of the syllabus and the survival guide. So again, this is a big document. It's everything that you need. Just make sure you have it saved to your computer, and then also make sure that you have downloaded the textbook. In the next video, we will go over the schedule for the semester.